46 years old and representing Bollinge and Fallon. Thank you.
Give round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting from Buster City, I'm Lorna Johansson.
Okay. The hot mama number 3, we call the...
Okay. Moving on, we would like to call on...
Good evening, everybody. My name is Marta Swisman, 44 years old and representing Switzerland. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Standing in front of you, Marcel Campbell from In Shopping. 30 years of age. Well, ladies and gentlemen, sit back and relax and enjoy the show.
My name is Amilin from Sudetella. I'm 43 years old.
You sure?
Hello everybody, my name is Marilyn Monroe, alias Maggie, from Stockholm. Well, age doesn't matter when it comes to hot mama, right?
Yeah.
So, I'm under nurse. And if you need my help, just call my name. Or dial the number. Or knock my door. My darlings.
Dial 112 only. She's under nurse, you can call under the tree. Okay, that's hot mama number 14.
Thank you, candidate.
Hi, my name is Ben Swedman, and I'm 57 years old from Västerås, Sweden.
Thank you, candidate number 12.
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Melissa Lankar, representing from Switzerland.
Oh, we have 3 beautiful candidates from Switzerland.
Thank you, candidate number 13.
Hello, my name is Annabelle from Sala, the city of Silver Gruva. Jag har 2 barn, en kille och flera beundrare.
That's candidate number 15.
Satisfied? I'm Lena Osman from Västerås. My height is 5'6" and I'm overweight. Thank
Okay,
you.
we know that you are overweight. Yeah, we see some cracks here.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Maria Teresa Briner, representing Switzerland.
Wow. Give round of applause, more.
For Gichelle, representing Sudetella.
Okay.